Haze and Haze, it's Leopardess and welcome back to my channel. And do you guys like this little hairstyle? But today's video is going to be about how often should you wash your locks. So if you guys don't remember, I said I was going to do a series based on the questions that you have when you're pretty much starting locks. So to start, when I started my lock journey, everyone had a different answer for how often you should wash your locks, especially starter locks. So I heard 1 month, I heard 2 months, I heard a week, I heard 2 weeks, I heard 3 months. So just to tell you my opinion based on my hair, I have 4C hair that loves moisture, like sucks up moisture like no other. Like I often just spritz my hair. That's how often my hair, that's how much my hair loves moisture. Like it loves it. But when I had my starter locks, I washed my hair every 2 weeks. And yes, I mean every 2 weeks from when I started. So after I got my starter locks, I washed my hair 2 weeks later. And then I fell into a routine where I always washed my hair every 2 weeks. I have never been a person who could only wash my hair once a month. Some people do that. That's cool, no judgment. But I have very sensitive skin and it just doesn't work for me. So how often you should wash your hair really depends on you. In my opinion, I think that you should stick to the routine that you have as a loose natural. Like for example, if you wash your hair once a month as a loose natural, do that. What works for you previously will still work. The only thing that I would say to take into consideration is the fact that you're going to be doing different activities. Like you're going to be going to the gym, you're going to be sweating. Some of the things that need to be taken into consideration is the activities you do. The way your hair sweats with locks is very different than the way your hair sweats with loose natural hair. So when it sweats, it's like it gets into the locks and it holds. You have to develop a routine for the gym and sweating. I do have a video on my page, a gym routine with locks, and that has been very effective for me. But it really depends on how your locks is feeling. You're gonna come to a point where you understand what your hair and what your locks need. So for example, I go to the gym like maybe 3 or 4 times a week. Sometimes 3, sometimes 2. It's like it's very like off. It's not, it's not very standard. But I've developed a method in which I know how to make sure the sweat doesn't get into my locks, or make sure that the sweat isn't just in there. Now there's gonna be times where you're not gonna be able to follow your routine and you're gonna be like, well, my hair's really sweaty or my hair's really this, and then you just wash it. Washing your hair solely depends on you and how you feel. I think you should wash your locks on how you feel. Don't be scared to wash your starter locks at all. Go for it. It's not really gonna kill you. It's just gonna teach you how to better take care of your hair or how to just deal with it. But if you don't do it, you're gonna get scared. I personally don't think it's necessary for you not to wash your hair for 3 months or not to wash your hair for 2 months. I think that's pushing it. But I can understand if someone doesn't want to wash their hair for a month, or it creates a better condition for the locks, because when you're, moisturizing your locks, I moisturize my locks a lot a week, like, maybe 3 or 4 times a week. I spritz it sometimes too. And sometimes all that oil and all just the sweat and everything just needs to come out. So that's why I do 2 weeks. But I think 2 weeks is very effective. A month could be effective, but it all depends on your activity. It all depends on your hair. Do what's best for you. When I was natural and I try to wash my hair once a month, it just wouldn't work. I would break out. Like as soon as I wash my hair, my skin just looks different. My face clears up. Like I count the days. Once that 14 days hit, I'm like, time to wash. And then I know by the next calendar day, I wash. But it also, like I said, depends on what you did. Because you may have gone to the beach, you may have went to the pool, or you may have done some activity that really changed within those 2 weeks. So you may have to do like a quick wash. And sometimes I just do like a rinse, you know what I mean? I put like a shampoo that I use in a bottle, I shake it up and I just spritz it around my hair and I do a light wash. So it's not an intense wash, but it's light enough in which, you know, the water is like getting all the sweat and stuff out. You know, sometimes you just need a rinse. So I do rinses sometimes when I feel like my week is tough. And not necessarily like dirty, like, you know, like, you know, oh my gosh, like the 2 weeks I've hit dirty, but like when I feel like, okay, like I didn't expect to be this active, or, you know, I haven't been following the proper routines. So let me get this together. Let me just give it a quick like rinse, you know? Not enough to strip it, but enough to get whatever I feel like is in my hair for now. If you stick to your normal routine, you'll be fine. And you may decide that that might change for you, because like I said, everyone's locks is different. You know, you expect something seeing someone else's locks, and it doesn't work like that. But, you know, sometimes, you know, the hair pattern, like, you know, 4C hair, loves moisture, you know, you can kind of relate with somebody, but everyone's experience is really different, and it's about what you can handle. I mean, even though I have 4C hair, love moisture, I still have sensitive skin, so I'm not just worrying about, you know, my hair as well. I'm worrying about my face and what my face can handle. And sometimes my face can't handle a month of no washing, you know what I mean? As soon as I wash my hair, different person, different skin. So it all depends on those factors. If you don't have such sensitive skin, even though I tie my hair at night, always tie your hair at night, I still break out if I do not wash my hair in the pattern. So take what you know, like how's your skin react? What do you wash your hair? How do you wash your hair now? What's your schedule? And what does your hair prefer? And take all those things into consideration and develop a plan. And that's honestly my advice for how often you should wash your hair. It takes into 3 factors: skin, hair, activity, and there you go. Very simple, but don't be scared to wash your hair, especially when you're starting with starter locks. Like, I'm not a believer in you can't wash your hair for 3 months. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned a lot. Tell me what you think about this style, because I am loving it. I'm about to travel some more. I recently went on a trip again. So I made a vlog, but I wasn't sure if I was gonna upload it. I don't think I'm gonna upload it, but maybe one day if I don't have nothing to upload, I'll upload it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. Bye, leopard gang.